So you've made it this far. You have completed the digital breakout for the library lockdown. What are the next steps, you might ask? Well, of course, you're going to get to design your very own digital breakout. Now, in order to do this, you're going to need to follow a few extra steps. You see, on this site, we provided everything in a home page, and we kind of added in a few extra details wanting to let people know what a digital breakout is. You might not need to do that. Yours might start very much like ours does here in the locks, where you're giving a scenario, a story, if you will, about whatever your situation is. It can be totally made up and be about something totally fictitious, finding buried treasure from an old sunken pirate ship, to anything that's a contemporary problem or bringing awareness to a hobby that you have that you think others might enjoy. Whatever it happens to be, you would end up adding your scenario alongside your locks. Now, the process of how to do this comes later on. For right now, you need to know that basic overview. You need to know that you need to have a story. And also, there's going to be, just like the tabs that you went through, Red Hawks Read, Research Resources, Media Literacy, and fun stuff, you yourself are going to come up with 4 subtopics that go along with your overall story. Like here, Mrs. Rock needed to break out of the library. You're going to have 4 subtopics of your own that go along with your overarching story. So what I need you to do next is take a look at the Google form that's linked here in your assignment. And when you're done with that, you're going to answer the questions and get started on the path to designing your very own digital breakout. Good luck.